We have an ETB to open. It is the Crown Zenith ETB Elite Trainer Box, because Crown Zenith delivers. So let's crack this sucker open. And we have our book. Our divider out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And we have a B-star, some coins, some dice, some dividers, some energy. Look at that. What? Code card. Some sleeves. So let's get into them. Code card. Got some water. That rare candy. Oh, energy switch. AA Ron. All right. Heterine. Oh, check it out. Very cool. Man, I'm starting to have first pack magic. Holy crap, I never had first pack magic. These ETBs are my friend. That rare candy. Mr. Mime. Sun Kern. Oddish. Oh man, check him out. And an AGG Ron. Youngus. Starly. Switch. And Cynthia's Ambition. Wow, that's a cool card. Fire! Carabine. Oh, got the energy switch going on with the Sun Kern and the Coffin and the Oddish. I'm deja vu again. Energy Search, Friends of Shanoa, and wah, wah. Psych! Energy. Oh, the Rescue Carrier. Grappler. Potion. AA Ron. Corfish. Energy Search. Oh, look at that. Dunsparce. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. An Absol. Loontongue. Cell-Zizzle, whatever. Bit of Potion, Mr. Mime. Radiant Charizard. Very cool. Scissor. Wilmer. Or Wilmer. Shinx. Oddish. Seal. Executor. And wah, wah. Grass. Rare candy. Good shot. Execute. Love Disc. Grubbin. And Rodham! Oh, got the old V-Star card. V-Star for the win, not. Okay. Lost vacuum. Tangela. Baltoy. Meowth. Mr. Mime as the reverse, and wah, wah. Electrify. Diggly-doo. Graveler. Starly. Mugla. Yungus. And what we got here? Oh, Densia! I think Densi. Yeah. And a AGG run.